Hi, I'm Stu Flom from AdaptiVision, and I am excited that the eSight Go remote controls are now available. Many people have been waiting for these, and it's very, very simple. The first thing you have to do is to pair it with your eSight Go glasses, but that is very simple to do. So all you do is you hold down the upper right hand button for 3 seconds. That's the pairing button. And you'll see a red light flashing.
Remote connected.
And now it turned green to tell me that the remote is connected. And also typically you will see a blue light flashing on the left side of the glasses. If that has not happened, just put your unit to sleep with the power button on the glasses and do it again. But it should be very, very simple to pair your remote. The remote is also very easy to operate. The larger button in the top middle with the O on it is your mode button. As you press that, it will tell me the different mode options. Contrast. Color filter. Volume. And tilt. And zoom. Zoom being the most important function. And to change your zoom, it's these 2 arrow buttons. So the upper one will increase my zoom.
Zoom 5, zoom 6, zoom 7.
And the lower one will reduce the zoom.
Zoom 6, zoom 5, zoom 4.
We also have separate volume adjustments right on the unit with the speaker on it.
Volume 6, volume 7.
The bottom button on the remote is your menu button, so that will enable you to adjust things like brightness. It will tell you if you're connected to the internet, and so that's your menu button. And that's basically it. It's very simple to operate, nice remote. Don't forget you have to install the batteries first before trying to pair it. And I think many of you will enjoy using the remote. Thank you so much. I'm Stu Flom from AdaptiVision. Feel free to reach out to me at stu@lowvisionsource.com. Thanks so much. Take care.